Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. What a wonderful collab song. NF and Machine Gun Kelly, they do Who I Was, okay? So I really love this song. And by the way, NF made some songs recently. We're gonna have them here on Goring Guitar. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe and be back here for the next upload. Now, let's go and check this one out, Who I Was. You can see here the capo, it's placed on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have 4 chords that rolls in the same order through the entire song. We have different ways to handle them. So let's go through chords first. We're gonna start with A minor. Okay, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next, very easy transition here. You just bring your ring finger up to the third A. Keep the index and mid finger there in the right spot from the A minor. That gives us third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G6, very simple. You just bring up the 2 fingers from the C chord up to this position. The bass, you have the 3rd fret E string and 2nd fret A. And everything down below is open, so open D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is F, which is a bar chord. So you place index finger on 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. So there you have the chord progression. Now let's start with this melody, and the patterns will be reminiscent of each other. They're the same pretty much, just different bass notes depending on what chord we're playing. So we're gonna go through them chord by chord, starting with this A minor, and it goes like this for 2 rounds. Okay, so you hold the chord as is, and you're gonna play open A, second D, first B, second G, open A, and first B. That is 1 round. Play for 2 rounds. So okay, next chord is C, of course. You're gonna play the exact same notes. That gives us 3rd on A, 2nd D, 1st B, open G, 3rd A, and 1st B for 2 rounds. And that sounds next chord is the G6, so you hold that as it is, the chord, and you're gonna play this part. So that is to play 3rd fret E string, then 2nd A, open B, open G, 3rd E, and open B. You play that for 2 rounds, so. And then you go to the F and hold that chord as it is and play the same strings as the G chord, and that gives us 1st fret E string, 3rd A, 1st B, 2nd G, 1st fret E string, and 1st fret B string for 2 rounds. So okay, so that is 1 round of the melody, and it goes like this together. Practice slowly and gradually speed up and play a little bit faster than I just did. I took down the tempo just for you to understand what's going on, to show you how it sounds. So that is the melody. And you're gonna play that in the beginning of the song. I'm gonna play that all the way to 1 minute and 37 seconds in. From that point, you're gonna go into the 2nd verse. You're gonna play and hold the chords as they are and play like this. That is 1 round of the same chord progression, A minor, C, G, and F. And what you're going to do here is either you're going to go with 1 down, and then you're going to add this open E string after each down. Either you go 1 down, but I actually prefer to pick the chords, okay? So I pick the bass string, whatever bass string it is, depending on what chord we're playing. So A minor, you have that on the A string and C as well. And on the G and F chord, you have that on the E string. So you're gonna pick that bass note together with first fret B string on A minor. And then of course you play that open E. And then you go to C and play third fret A together with first B. And then open E. And then you go to G and play that third fret E string together with open B. And then open E. And then you go to F and play first fret E string together with first B. And then that open E. And that is one round. So I actually prefer to do that to get the same sound as in the song, okay? So you're gonna play that till 2 minutes and 6 seconds in. So from there on, you're gonna play just one pick of the same chord progression, A minor, C, G, and F, or one down. And a huge pause between the next chord, C, and the G6, and F. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. And then finally, you're gonna end up with this outro, and that is played in the same way as the second verse. Remember, you had to pick plus the extra added note of open E. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. And there you have it, guys. That is how you handle the NF and Machine Gun Kelly's Who I Was. Great, powerful song. I love the combo there. So they did it very well. And as I said, mentioned before, NF, he has some new releases. So yes, next upload will be an F song. So be back. Hope to see you soon here, guys. And until next time, play tuned.